as I lay me down. Heaven, hear me now.
My mom committed suicide. It happened, and just the whole stigma that is associated with suicide, it meant that it was not talked about. She wasn't really mentioned. I took it real hard. I didn't even cry for her. I wasn't able to cry for her until 2009. I didn't grieve. It happened, and I know the day I could not eat. I'm the one who found her. And yeah, that day was terrible.
I always had it in the back of my head from I was very young. My mother would tell me that I was a very pensive child, and even when I was very small, I would play by myself, and I was quite fine with my own company. And even then, I would think about it. It's weird, you know, someone that's 7 or 8 would think about suicide. You know, think about what would it be like if I wasn't here. And I remember if I felt I was punished unjustly, the first thing that would come in my head is I'm gonna kill myself and see what they're gonna do. You know, because I would think that would be a way of punishing my parents. You're not alone. There are other people who feel the same way, and that suicide is never an option. It is never the way out. It's a final solution to a temporary problem. And I like to encourage them to talk to somebody. There are people out there who will listen to you. There are counselors at your school.
What we have found is that majority of those who complete suicide are people who are depressed. And there are many depressed people in Jamaica who are going around undiagnosed. So then they, with an underlying factor of depression, when some things happen, some other things happen, they could easily decide that they can't bother. Like a broken love affair, conflict at home, girlfriend and breakup in relationships, and feelings of being abused or underachieved and those kinds of stuff. We want you to know that the feelings that you're experiencing right now will not last forever. The difficulties and the challenges will come to pass, and therefore I want to ask you not to give up. It is the problems that call for your mental and spiritual growth. So the difficulties that you're going through today can really be the points of strength for tomorrow.